The ultimate power move? Make your enemies ask to be crushed. Law 30 is how casinos, dictators, and billionaires turn defeat into addiction. And why this is the last law you'll ever need. You think victory is enough? Wrong. Winners who take get hated. Winners who let losers volunteer get worshipped. The elite don't conquer, they curate surrender. Law 30. Make your accomplishments seem effortless. Hidden meaning? Never let them see you sweat. Make defeat feel like their idea, like their privilege, like their addiction. Casinos spend millions to let you press the button. No clocks, free drinks, near-miss lights. The lesson? People will pay to lose if you design the game right. Here's 3 surrender tactics. First, the honorable defeat trap. After winning sigh, you almost had me. Now they beg for rematches. Second, the addiction loop. Design small wins, TikTok's one more video trick. Third, the Godfather gambit. Offer favors that create debt. I'll help you. For your sake. This ends our 48 Laws series, but your power journey continues. Subscribe now. Tomorrow we reveal the 1-hour rule. Until then, go make someone love losing.